and gentlemen, I'm back for another video. I wanted to do a hair update because y'all know 8 months ago I cut all of my hair off. Like, girl, she cut it really short because the hair was a mess. And if you don't remember what my hair looked like before I got it cut, bald-headed scallywag. But now, after I've gotten it cut and I've let it grow out, my hair has gotten a lot thicker, a lot healthier. And I'm trying to figure out whether or not I want to cut it again because I loved it short. While I'm trying to figure that out, I've been doing protective styles. My hair is not technically long enough to go back into a ponytail. When I pull it back, girl, this is what you get. Oh, no ma'am. This little tiny little afro puff. But if I want some length and I want it to be long and cute and all that type of stuff, I'll use some clip-ins. Let my hair back out because I'm not gonna go out like that. Okay. Ooh, girl, I need to get my hair cut. It is shedding like a motherfucker. These clip-ins are Allie Hair's clip-ins. SamsBeauty.com is an online beauty supply store where you can buy wigs, you can buy weaves, you can buy all types of items, including makeup and including clip-ins. Now, they don't have these clip-ins on their website, but you can get different types of clip-ins and use the same method that I used in this video. So click in the description below to get to their website. These clip-ins are more like a 3C texture, and then the ends go down to maybe a 4A, but they do match my hair type, so it does work for my curls. In this box, you get, these are the clip-in weaves, the Instant Fab. I chose to get the 18-inch natural clip-ins, and these are, oh yeah, it said 3C. So these are the 3C coily curl, and you get 9 pieces of clip-ins. So you can see that they put it all in the package. And it also comes with one of these things where it comes with like an edge brush, like some edge gel and stuff like that. And I'll actually be giving this little packet away. So if you watch to the very end of the video, I'll give you directions on how to enter for the giveaway for this box. Now, even though this is one box, I don't think one box is enough for a full head. I think it would be best if you were to use 2 boxes for a full head, but this amount is good for like maybe a half up, half down. Or if you have longer hair, then it actually would be good for longer hair. But if you got short hair, I don't think one box would be enough for you. It all depends on the look that you're going for. And I put even the 2 boxes in my head, and with my hair length, it looked a mess. So I think it's best for me to just use it to do ponytails and stuff like that. So what we're going to do today with this very short hair is we're going to get her back into a very cute little ponytail. Hopefully I do it right this time because sometimes I don't end up right. Y'all know how it is with hair. So these are all of the clip-ins that I use. I think this is about 8 clips because I'm a rambler. I'm going to go ahead and do a voiceover so you can see how I do my hair, and then we'll come back. And so we're starting off with freshly washed hair. And I start off by adding the part that I like to wear for my ponytails. I typically do a center part, but you can do a side part. You can do no part at all. But I like to part that hair away just so I know how I'm going to style my hair. Secondly, we're going to section away the hair that we are going to use when we're clipping in our hair. And I'll explain this a little bit later, but I section out the hair in the center of my head. This is the area where we're going to clip in the clip-ins. So it needs to be close enough to your edges so it looks seamless and the clip-ins aren't clumped up in the middle of your head, but far enough to where you can cover up the tracks. So we're going to take our little simple rubber bands. Since I have finer hair, I use those skinny little rubber bands. And I'm just going to rubber band and section that hair away. And we'll be using this tiny mini ponytail that I have as a guide. So I'm going to take my clip-ins, and I think there are about 9 clip-ins there. And I'm going to take my first clip in, it's going to be a 2-clip clip in, and I'm going to clip it upside down. It's important that you do upside down because it makes the ponytail seamless. Since you're doing a ponytail, your hair is going to be up and covering it. So to cover the combs, you have to make sure that it's upside down. Now we're going to go on top of the ponytail with another 2-clip clip in, and I'm wrapping it around the ponytail. Not around the ponytail, but I'm going in a U shape. Next, we're going to stack on top of that a 3-clip clip in, the 1 clip in the center, and then the 2 clips on the side. And as you can see, it's going in an upside down U shape because it's easier to cover the tracks when it's in that shape. Hopefully you can understand that. But hopefully I'm explaining it well. I don't explain stuff well, but hopefully you get it. I'm using the 4-clip clip in this time. I'm clipping the 2 middle clips in first, and then I'm doing the 2 side clips. Next, we're going to use another 4-clip clip in. As you can see, I'm clipping in the 2 middle clips, and then clipping the 2 side clips down as well on the left and the right side of my head. And as you can see, the clip-ins are filling up, but you can't see, it doesn't look like tracks, like it's starting to come together, hopefully. The next one we're going to use is a 5-clip clip-in. This is the largest clip I'm going to use. And I'm putting the 1 clip in the center, the 2 clips on the side, and I'm just going ahead and clipping those down. Just make sure when you're clipping your clip-ins that you're not clipping them too tight. Because if you clip them too tight, girl, you have a headache all day. You'll be annoyed. You'll be getting on everybody's nerves with your complaining. So just make sure you do a looser clip-in because you don't want that banging headache because it is terrible. So this clip is a 4-clip clip-in. And if you have a different size head, like if you have a bigger head, then you may have to use larger clips, larger clip-in wefts. But for me, I have a fairly small head, so my largest one will be a 5-clip. And this last clip-in is going to be a 3-clip clip-in. And that's going to go at the very top. So all of our hair is covered and it's completely full. I try and stack as many clip-ins on my head as possible. We like our hair thick, honey, as thick as possible. So as you can see, it's super full and I got myself a little curly mullet going. Next, we're going to add some product to our hair finally because this hair is dry and flying all over the place. So I add the Cantu Coil Calm Detangler just to moisturize the hair and make it a little bit easier to manage when I am brushing it back. And I'm going to use the Nairobi, what is this, wrap foam? I think it's like a wrapping foam. A lot of the short hair girls use that to mold their hair away or to style their hair. I definitely use this on my short hair, but it does a good job for me with just kind of taming my hair and making it easier to comb through. So I'm just adding this to the leave out so I can easily brush my hair back. And I'm working it through the hair because it kind of tames my curls. So I'm taking like a Denman brush. It's almost like a Denman brush, but I think this is from the brand Evolve. I got it from Walmart. It was like $5, but I have it in my Amazon store as well. So I'll leave a link to all the products that I use down below. You can pick them up off Amazon or you can get them from Walmart, but you'll be able to see which products I'm using exactly. So as you can see, I'm easily combing through my hair and making sure that it has no kinks or knots or nothing in it, so it makes it easier just to smooth down over these tracks when we brush back this ponytail. And of course I'm going to use the Eco Styler Gel. This is, I think, the olive oil type. I've noticed that it kind of crumbles up sometimes. It leaves a residue, but if I have clean hair, it doesn't do that. But the more I build up the product, the more of a mess it looks. But girl, we would do what we can with these products. I'm using a boar's head brush just to brush my hair back. Is it boar's head? That's a meat. It's a boar's hair brush, girl. I'm using a boar's hair brush to brush my hair back. I try and make sure I'm gentle because my edges are not strong. So I try my best to be gentle, and I'm collecting all the hair together to finally make it into a full ponytail. And as you can tell, it looks seamless, it looks flat, and I'm just going to use a ponytail holder to place all of this hair into one ponytail. This is a pretty thick ponytail. I think I was able to wrap this ponytail holder around 3 times. Just make sure you're careful and you're not pulling at the roots of your hair because the clips are attached to your hair. So just make sure you're as gentle as possible when you're doing this because the whole goal is to make sure we're protecting our hair at the same time. So I looped it through I was able to loop it through about 3 times. And as you can see, the hair is pulled back and it looks super cute already. But the next step is to just go ahead and lay down those little short things that we call baby hairs. Basically, it's broken off hair. I'm just going to go ahead and lay that down with some Eco Styler gel because some of the hair is sticking up. And I'm also going to rearrange the hair that covers up the tracks just to make sure it's covering it completely. So as I'm smoothing down all the hair and I'm filling my head just to make sure I covered all of those tracks because it can get a little bit tricky. You can't see behind your head. So just take your time and make sure you smooth that hair down. I'm going to be using the hair foam again, the Nairobi hair foam just to smooth away that hair. And look at these lips, girl. I am obviously trying real hard to make this hair work. So I'm just smoothing this hair back and really concentrating on making sure I rearrange this hair on this track because the track showing, I do not like my track showing, especially when I'm at work. People like to be all up in your head. So now that I've covered up those tracks and smoothed down my hair, now I'm going to smooth down and create some baby hairs out of those broken off hairs at the front of my head. So I'm just going to use my finger. My hair is very brittle. It's really, I don't know, how would you say, super soft and fine. So I don't use a brush on my edges like that any longer. I will just use my finger. So I've used the Nairobi foam and I'm just going to lay down the baby hairs and go into like that little C formation just to make them look like really cute brushed down baby hairs. And I do the same thing on both sides of my head. So I use my ring finger and my middle finger just to pull away those little short baby hairs, and I just curl them in that C sort of formation. Now with the box that I'll be giving away, it does come with a baby hair brush and some edge control. So for some of you girls that have those healthy baby hairs or those thick baby hairs, you definitely can use that brush to form your baby hairs. It's just better for me to use my finger, girl. So now as you can see, I've pulled out my baby hairs and now I'm going to use some bobby pins, these little cute little stylish bobby pins, to tuck away the short hairs that weren't able to go into the ponytail because my hair is still fairly short in that area. I'm going to use this hairpin. It says Kiss on it and the other one says Boss. They don't really match, but girl, that's all they had, so I got what I could. I'm just going to clip those little hairs away so it looks cute and stylish, but it also makes sure it pulls back those little hairs that weren't able to go inside the ponytail. And it came with some cute gold hair clips as well. So it comes as a set and all together it looks super cute just to use those pins to pin back your little short hairs. And as you can see from the back, the ponytail looks very seamless. It doesn't look all hyped up and fake. It looks like a super natural ponytail. So as you can see, my little short hairs are sticking out as well. I'm just going to tuck those under just to hide them away. And then I'm just going to fluff out the ponytail. As you can see, it looks super natural. You can't see any tracks. You also don't have to conceal the rubber band with hair because it looks like it's your hair. Now, it's a little bit lumpier than I would have liked, but girl, I got a flat back of the head anyway, so it ended up working out. It looks so cute, and I hope y'all like it as well. So this is the final look. Now, I did notice after taking pictures that it's a little bit lumpy in the back. Girl, okay, I have a really flat back of the head, so I think it kind of balances out the back of my head. If you don't like it, girl, you ain't got to enter the giveaway. If y'all want to enter the giveaway to get just 9 clips, I think I used about 8 or 9 clips in my head here anyway, but if you want to enter the giveaway to get these clip-ins, you have to leave a comment down below. You have to be subscribed to my channel. You also have to follow me on Instagram as well. Y'all know I'm trying to get my engagement up. I need people to follow me. That's what this is about. And this is something I'm planning on doing more often. I've been going back and forth about giving away some of the wigs that I've reviewed already. I've worn them one time. I can't rationalize selling every single one of them. I would like to start giving away like a wig like a month or something like that. Y'all comment down below as well and let me know if y'all will be interested in me doing a giveaway with some of the wigs that I've already worn once or maybe twice, if I'm doing like a wig review or something like that. Y'all let me know, is that tacky? Is that gross? If I wash it, like, is that nasty? I'll give everybody 2 weeks to enter, and then after that I'll announce the winner. So I'll let y'all know what actual date it is, because I don't know. I don't even know when I'm gonna put up this video. Anyway, y'all, if y'all really like this video, y'all let me know down below. If you want to buy these clip-ins from samsbeauty.com, I will leave a link for samsbeauty.com down below. I love you all. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.